So hi everybody, a very good evening. 5:25 by the watch. I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decon Design. Cheers on a lovely, warm, not a warm, but a Coke at a room temperature. So I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions, and it's a video on creativity, on decking up and making your rooms or spaces even better than they are before. And as I share the video, you may think it's very simple, but actually it's a kick-ass idea. It's actually a offbeat idea because it combines both art with flowers, and for flowers which are beautiful, flowers which are normally kind of adding beauty and adding freshness and the amazing fragrance of flowers and stuff combined with art. So how do we do this? It's so easy, it's so simple. All you need is a nice bouquet of flowers. I would recommend artificial flowers in this, but if you want to try probably real flowers, you could experiment. I would go with artificial flowers which look close to real. And the idea I am going to share the pictures is that if you have a canvas, if you have a square canvas, or if you have a round canvas, or if you have a rectangle canvas, or if you have, let's say, a tall canvas, whatever size canvas you have, you basically have to just plug in and like in technical jargon they say plug in and put in, okay. So you have to basically place the bouquet, or place the, you could do a vase as well if you've got a frame which has got space, ample space to place your small, flower pot or something like that. But go for a bouquet, a nice fresh bouquet, which looks as close to real flowers, and you have a nice frame. If you want a neat look, go for a white one. If you have a golden one, go for a golden one. If you have a black one, go for a black one. Whatever you have, just install a bunch of, or a bouquet of flowers, and to that probably add maybe a ribbon or something. If it's already there, great. A nice classy jazzy you know uh, ribbon, or maybe a small piece of candle or whatever. Without a candle also a good idea. अब करना क्या है, करना ये है कि आपको बस एक फ्रेम लेना है, और उस आर्टी फ्रेम के बीच में अगर आपके पास बेस में जगह है, लेट्स से आपने एक स्क्वायर लिया या आपने एक रेक्टेंगल लिया, और उसके नीचे वाले एरिया में जैसे एक स्टैंड होता है, वैसे आपके पास अबाउट 1 फीट की जगह है या 8 इंचेस या 6 इंचेस की जगह है, और आपके पास एक स्लीक बुके है या फ्लावर्स का गुलदस्ता है, नेचुरल, लीव असाइड नेचुरल छोड़िए, और आर्टिफिशियल फ्लावर्स अगर लगाए हैं आप, तो इट्स नाइस because it's going to look good, it's going to last longer and stuff. So try and doing this, and it's going to definitely look amazing. And it's a tried and tested one. I'll share the pictures. And if your flowers don't have good fragrance and stuff, try and spray maybe a little bit of khushbu, whatever's your fragrance. You get so many in the market. You go to all these offbeat showrooms and shops, you have nice aroma oils and nice incenses and everything, or perfumes. Just spray a little bit of it on your bouquet, and you have a ready wall installed bouquet, a painting bouquet, okay. So the flowers have to be as close as real, because the science behind it, or the rationale behind it, or the psychology behind it, or the chi or the feng shui behind it is that if you have stale, or you have those old, not so fresh looking flowers and stuff, it's only adding to the negative energy, and it's not that refreshing, and it's not going to give you the positive what it's supposed to give. Flowers are actually a sign of positivity and refreshment and joy and happiness and celebrations and stuff like that. So always a good idea to use fresh flowers, as good as real. artificial ones, and yes, real ones, why not? And if you want to kind of experiment and you want to put, like, maybe some nice leaves or something, do it, and it's going to look good, so try it, and love and luck, and take care, and have fun, and have a blast, and enjoy your weekend. Rest as much as you can, and work on your immunity. Take care of yourself, because I've already shared this a few days back, that with the weather change and stuff, off and on, body aches and body pain and cough and cold and all that, and rebounds of ill spells, ill health spells are happening to people and stuff. So nothing serious. Just have your uh, you know have your medicines, and see your doctor, whatever they recommend, have those. Okay, so love and luck, and take care, and have fun, and have a blast, and enjoy yourself, and live it up. It's a weekend, so make space and make time for exercising and for joyful work as well, because the coming week is going to mean lots of interesting work and good energy and stuff. So cheers once again. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And you could check me out on my social media handles. I'm yet to launch my online store, my website, but I'm there, active on Instagram, on Facebook, and on social media. And I normally prefer to be in touch with people professionally over email and stuff. Okay, so jkapani@gmail.com, justinkapani.im@gmail.com, and justinkapanioffice@gmail.com. That's the best way to reach people like me. We are very quick at responding and stuff. We keep it professional, but it doesn't mean that you're going to get a reply every time you email me and stuff. Okay, so love and luck, and take care, have fun, have a blast, and enjoy. Cheers. Yeah, and a Coke also means a kick in your energy and boost, but just don't overdo it. Okay, bye bye. Anything in moderation is good. That's what I mean. Cheers. Bye bye.